Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the following issue, which is no bootable devices, strike F1 to retry boot. So I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue. So guys, usually this is caused because you have turned on UEFI settings and the hardware you have connected to your laptop is a legacy or non-UEFI. So you just have to change it. You can change it from the BIOS and go to boot sequence, and there you will see these two options. Just enable legacy, and there you will see your hardwares. And from there, just simply click on apply, and that's it. Now let's restart our laptop and see. So as you can see, the issue is fixed. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.